everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this LSL iPhone case. I got this for my iPhone 12 Pro Max and it fits it perfectly. I think that it's so pretty. It's a really sleek, shiny design. It does have the square edges, which is my favorite. It also is really protective. It has soft bumper sides, so it's it's shock absorbent, and then it's anti-scratch because it does have raised edges right here that are gonna protect your phone from, if it falls flat, it's not gonna hit the screen, it's gonna hit those edges right there. It obviously has the cutouts for all of your camera as well as your sound switch right there, and then your little microphone speaker and charging port. This is compatible with wireless charging also. So if you have a charging like pad, or you have the charger in your car that you can just set it on, this doesn't stop it from charging. It's really lightweight, flexible, but like I said, still keeps it really protected. Comes in a bunch of different colors. It fits my phone absolutely perfectly, and I think it looks so pretty. I get a lot of compliments all the time. I think the color is beautiful. I think the shine is beautiful. It doesn't really get fingerprints like a lot of them do. I've had other ones where there's always fingerprints on it from me touching. This doesn't have that issue. I just think this is a great case that still looks stylish but keeps your phone protected. So if you're looking for a new case, maybe you're just wanting to change up your style every once in a while, I think that this is an absolutely perfect phone case. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.